If you want to schedule your Instagram posts, whether it be a photo or a video, here is a quick tutorial. But first, you need to update to the latest version of the app. This is important because the steps may be different in older versions. After that's done, open the app and click on the plus icon in the middle to create your post. Select the post that you want to upload from your gallery and locate to the final upload page. Look for the Advanced Settings option and click on it. Here you should see the option to schedule your post or reel. Click on the toggle, which will bring up a schedule for you to choose your time and date. I'll set it to today's 2 p.m., which is 14 in the 24-hour clock, and click Done. Now that your schedule is on, you can go back. If you see this notification, just press Continue Scheduling and you can hit the Schedule button below to schedule your post. That should successfully schedule your post. Now I'll show you how to find your scheduled post. Go into your settings, look for the Scheduled Content option and click on it. Here you can edit, reschedule, share now, or delete the post.